What is the weight of your business? Where you talk about laundry business, what is your weight? How many clothes can you wash a day or iron a day or deliver a day? All these are some of your daily capacity. Yes. In the laundry business, we call daily capacity. Yes. And then I wrote daily capacity in the laundry business refer to the maximum volume of laundry your business can successfully handle. What you wash, what you can dry and fold within a single day. Yes, that's like this. Now, so for solo laundry operator, for a one man laundry operator, you don't have any staff, you don't have any worker, you're the only one doing it. I say now, your daily capacity is not just determined by your machines, but also by your physical stamina and your availability hours. Yes, daily capacity. Many times we see people taking these. Yes, but they don't have the capacity. They don't know what they can do and what the machine can really attend to a particular day. Sometimes you may stay in a remote environment or a place you don't have steady power supply. What is your capability with the generator so you are using to run throughout the week? How are you seeing what is the daily capacity of your generator? Can your generator run a full 16 hours or a full 12 hours non-stop? Or can your generator run a full 14 hours non-stop? Won't it affect it? Your generator has a daily capacity that you can run. And you can check the oil also. Your washing machine has the daily capacity it can run non-stop. You get non-stop, 14 hours. No, it has its own limit. You get. Even you as a person, you have your own limit. Sometimes you can take all the old clothes, and then you are ironing them. You now feel exhausted and dehydrated. Your capacity have come to an end. Your capacity of that day, it has exhausted. Don't force yourself. When you feel that you are very tired now, you feel so tired, you feel so exhausted, you feel so dehydrated. That is the time for you to pause and now note your capacity. Am I able to do 100 clothes a day? Am I able to do 50 clothes a day? What is my capacity? Am I able to do 150 clothes a day? If you can do it a day and then you are not ironing it now without you feeling tired, then you know your capacity is 100 clothes a day or 70 a day or 60 a day. And then if you are not a solo laundry person now, it determines your strength also. You know you will wash, you will fold, and you will iron. Those things amount to your daily capacity also. The reason of this video is that many people are breaking down. See, the money you are saving in your savings, just one sickness will take it away from you. Just one hospital bill will wipe it away from you, from your account. So what I want to say now, take good time of your record. Take good time of your machines. Take good time of yourself also. If you've come to your limit, yes, that will be for that day. Like us, we don't do the palm solid here. We take these, merge these. If the day come today, we tend to finish it today. Yes, but we will not iron today. We have our own schedule. Schedule your time that your ironing time will be different from your washing time, and your washing time will be different for your ironing time. You will have kids for emergency, people can come and iron. There's no problem. But set a date, a time frame. In one of my video, check my YouTube channel. I make a video where I say you tell a customer that 3 days maximum your clothes is ready, except express worker. So know your daily capacity. Know what your washing machine can handle in a day. Know what your generator can handle in a day. Not just one day, one state, one week, your gen will just lock down. And keep on checking your oil, generator oil, the gauge of the oil. Check everything, your machines, the sun, put your head down, let the sun. If they are overworking, the day is overworking, then you stop. Don't stress them. And also said, this is Palms Academy International. Do you want to grow your laundry business? Then this channel is for you. Click on the plus sign to follow us, like the video, drop a comment section that I am interested, or what is your daily capacity. Let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to go to my YouTube channel at Palms Academy International. The link in my bio. You will see my YouTube channel there. Go there and watch some videos that will make you grow in your business. This is Palms. See you next week.